Welcome back guys, CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to talk about AMP updates this idea. Let's dive in. This idea posted by end of October this year, and it's a weekly time frame. I mark it all mains zones, and this is how it playing out. So this was October 13. So this is a daily time frame. So from October 13, we pump it. So around here. We pump it around 200% gain, so 187. Of course, if I am posted the video or share the idea on TradingView, it doesn't mean the coin have to pump on the next day. No, I just show you the main zones. But a lot of altcoins, I try to share with you the ideas before the main K levels, when we start going to the main K levels, you know. But unfortunately, it's impossible physically to share all charts with you. You know, that's why I use my custom indicator set and I see all zones on a daily time frame, on a weekly time frame, but it's impossible to share all these charts, you know, and I made one video or maybe two videos in a day. So that's why I highly recommend you join in to Telegram channel to track the ideas or use custom indicator set by your own. So this was the accumulation stage, because here, we trade way under take profit line. So this was the perfect entry for pump. We sweep the first sell side liquidity, sellers order flow, this one and this one. So anyway, when you see something like this one and something like this one, anyway, sooner or later we will see the move like this. So it just based it on classic, even classic TA. Now, like you can see, we try and hold the line, the buy line on the weekly time frame. The reward is open. I showed you and explained to you. So let me hide this one. So 50% of February 2023 week candle. This one level and the take profit line. Take profit line at that time when I shared in October was here at 0.2092. Now, like you can see, take profit line way under. It's 0.2072. It's from this price. It's around 25% down. So that's why all lines are dynamic. And we work with possibilities and we analyze the charts with this current condition. So I think the idea will be realized just a matter of time. We can trade in sideways some time period here and then go into take profit line, test and close 50% of this weak candle. And then with another weak candle, we're going over the exit line and the close fulfill of this range. It's around 0.2089. So from this lowest point, let's count from the lowest point in October to the 50% of this range is going to be 400% gains. Over the exit line, it's 535% gains. So congrats everybody who ride with this coin. All main targets for this token I also showed you in my big video about AMP, so I recommend you go and double check if you miss it. If we go to 12-hour time frame, you can see we leave there some zone with the seller pressure. All right, got it. Let's mark. So somebody don't want to see the price higher than this one. All right, but we got another camp. The guys who want to push the price higher. So this one, what we can't know the timing. So it can be the move or like this one, or just a little bit longer, or like this. So let's say we got this triangle. Usually, if you trade a classic TA, it work in this way. So the size of this move is going to be equal the size when we're breaking out. We can't know when we will breaking out. So for example, we will breaking out here by end of December. All right, got it. And the size of this breaking out is the test of this range. With a weak candle, it can be a little bit higher to this area. So this is how it works. It's just a basic classic TA. You know, if you don't know what to do, for example, at this current moment, just go in here, press invert scale. Go into daily time frame. Does this chart looks bullish or bearish for you? So look, if you trade long, this chart looks bullish or bearish? Are you waiting the continuation up or down after 3 years? We leave a lot of liquidity pools under. That's why I recommend you always just Take a look on the coins with inverted charts. It's helped me a lot. If we go here to 12-hour time frame, we got this basic triangle. So this is how it works. Invalidation of this triangle is the move like this one. Then this triangle is invalidated. And now we got this support on a daily time frame. So I showed you the zone. If we're breaking out down, maybe something happened on the market, market crash, Bitcoin going to 38, I don't know, anything can happen in the market. This, the first block of support. So it's 0.203, 0.2026. So this is a block of support now for RMP. This is a K levels for continuation. We got a lot of liquidity over than 0.2088. So this is a main trigger for continuation. Would be good to see, because we can't know the timing, would be good to see breaking out like this one, retest, going to this top, sweep liquidity, and if this time will be, I don't know, it's hard to say about a timing, April, May, like I already explained to you, April, May 2024, we can see the correction. And it will be more than okay, 500, 600% move. All main targets for this token I already show you. So this is an idea for local picture. It's from the top of February, we just in this block, trade in this block. When we're breaking out and sweep this liquidity, we have to take a look on more on the timing than on the price. Now let's take a look also on the weekly time frame on indicators. Here, I already showed you the take profit based on trade on. Here, buy, buy, buy. Looks pretty good. Money power. Here, all these blue lines are where the whales accumulate. So whales accumulate since April 2022. They start accumulate and they build a good average entry price. So they never catch, they never trying to catch the bottom. Now they start fix some profit. It's more than okay because we already talked about this. They trade with a bigger initial deposit. So the guy who traded with 100K, for example, it's less risk with the guy who traded with 1 million. So the guy who bought it here 1 million, he can withdraw 1 million here, took back his initial deposit, save his money, million, and leave the free coins. So this is what about money power. This is about market smooth. Still no euphoria or so for this token. Here, depression, depression, depression. Now like optimism, some kind of hope. So let's add alert on the weekly time frame when we will cross the, let's say, now it's like optimism. Let's say trill. No, euphoria. All right, got it. Let's take a look on direction ADZ. Yes, all this time period was accumulation. Now we're in distribution on IMP here on a weekly time frame and going higher on a direction. But you have to zoom out and take a look on a monthly. Always, if we talk about investments, if we talk about a long-term periods, always take a look on a monthly and a weekly. On a monthly, we never seen some crazy distribution zone. Only here, accumulation. So this is how it works. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you would like to trade with my custom set, what I showed you in this video, just write me DM. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.